So my MS project window, can you see?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay then. Okay, so today something like we will see resource pooling and then sub projects and all. Okay, master plan, master project, sub project like that. Okay, so first of all, I'm considering a separate file. Okay, so in this directly going to the resource sheet. So I will put a painter. So painter is a work resource, and I can put a standard rate of some $12, something like that. Then plumber. So initial, if you want, like you can change it. So both PL I was putting, like for him, like I also put 15. Then electrician. So like this, like whatever you want, like you can able to create and have in one file, and you need to save this. Okay, okay. So everyone, like whenever you're creating some resource, like it will be having its own resource also that you can able to see here. Resource calendar, I mean. See here, you will be having painter calendar, plumber calendar, electrician calendar. So you can able to go there and you can able to put their specific holidays. Maybe like you can update their week off, or you can update their annual vacations and all like that. If anything like that. But now only in this file, like we have only resources. Now I'm going to save it. Okay, allied steel, right? Okay. So in this allied steel, I will put a resource pooling. So this file consists of resources. Okay, so you can see the title. Now I'm going to create a new file, blank project. Okay, now like here, like you can able to consider A, B, C like this, and I can put some duration. Okay, now I can put this to auto schedule and link this. Okay, and as usual, go to format, critical task, and sub project summary task. Okay, so this is our project. Okay, now like no need to create resources. Go to resource sheet, then go to resource tab. Then we can able to go for share resource. This was called a resource pooling concept. In this, like use one resource, not use resources from the open file. You need to have the file open, then only you can select it. Okay, then click OK. So it means like pool takes precedence, sharer takes precedence in the sense like whatever the calendar you already having, it will be given first preference. Okay, so resource pool, that calendars and all I was telling that it will be considered. Click OK. So you can see whatever you have there, it will be coming directly here. No need to create again and again. So since it's not a database, but if you are using the same resources for all the projects, like you can use this resource pooling concept. Okay, now I can go to the and the thing. Then I can also select the resources. For example, okay, so here in the information for A, I will put which resource. Wait a minute. For A, I will put electrician 1 unit. So automatically it will be considered the cost. And here also I will be taking painter just for an example. Okay, you can also have all resources to all the activities. So the cost also it is coming automatically based on the assignment. Okay, this I will try to save also. So I can put this one project A. Okay, now I will try to open another file. So here also like I can put this empty is not needed. So you can delete it. Auto schedule, link it as usual. critical summary task. As usual, go to resource sheet and go for resource share resource. Now you can able to see both it will come. No, resource pool only coming. No problem. Yeah, it is coming. Okay, now like I'm going to assign the same resources here. So for this, like it will come differently because can you see, since it is resource pooling, you can see the over allocation. That is called resource over allocation, that indicator. That this also I will save this resource project B I will put. So now project A and project B considering same resources. That's why because of the same date, like we are having over allocation. Okay, this over allocation we can able to level one by one, level resource or level all. Without knowingly, it will level. But I can go for level resource one by one. So first of all, uh, which one, where to level? I want to level to the project B. Then level now. Or when you click level all, it will be automatically leveling also. See now you can see like it is just moving to the available dates. That is like a leveling, resource leveling. Okay, but we can also do one by one if you want. So electrician level now. Okay. So level all in the sense like we can level directly everything. It will move to the available dates. But otherwise like we can level one by one from level resource. Now I will put undo. Okay. Okay. Now what I will do means like I can close this file alone. Okay. See now you can also see that it is visible in the resource pool page. See here also everything is a red color, which indicating that it is like over allocated. So that you can able to see from the resource graph also. You can see electrician is over allocated to these dates, and you can scroll here. Painter also like over allocated to these dates. Electrician, plumber, okay, plumber not over allocated, but like you need to see the next. See plumber also over allocated. This Friday and Monday. So that one from here resource graph, and even resource form also like you can able to see the total work hours and all for each and every. Okay, by the way, by default Gantt chart. But here this is resource pool now, so we have only resources. Okay, my intention, like I can go here, project A. Now here also you can see it was like over allocated. The indicator shows everywhere. Okay, see this task has over allocated resources. Right click for option. See when you right click, you can go for reschedule to available date like that. So that also when you are moving, it will be going to the available dates if it is possible. But this is the first project, na? Okay, it got confused. Wait a minute. So project A. See, actually the over allocation gone. So whenever you opening this one, the resource pool also it will open. Yeah, actually it done that. When we put right click and available dates, it was okay. Now it was changed, na, not from 15. Now it was 17. Okay, there is no over allocation, I guess. Now, like what we can do, go to project and we can able to put sub project. Within the project, we can have another project. So, so project B, I'm going to put the insert. So it was coming directly here. Okay, now what we can do, we can just cut this and or we can just click the thing. I will put undo, or I can just close and come back. No, So file, open project A. Okay, still overallocation was there. Okay, it was not solved, but okay. Because we not saved na, because of not saving, again it came to the previous overallocation. So sub project, so project B, insert. You need to click the particular row and then you can able to insert it. Then like you can take it separate. So, okay, it was not okay. When you are just putting this, everything also going inside. Okay, in that case, like you can do it differently. Okay, so in the project itself, like you can able to see the link between projects. Link between projects, like this is for the predecessor and all. If you have predecessor and all, otherwise like it will not come. Anyway, I can just delete it. Okay, now I can just click here. Then I can import project, sub-project, project B. Okay, anyway, it was not okay. Since it's a sub-project, na sub-project, like we can't move it anything before. So it's correct only. So it's like a sub-project of A. So that's why all becomes one project now. Okay, now like you can see like how it was like. Okay, now like what I'm going to do, I'm going to just drag and drop here. Okay, now almost over allocation also solved. Now if you are planning like this, okay, then you need to save it. If you're saving that, it will be yes to all. Okay, and here also it will ask something. You can read and you can click OK. Okay, now like we can see the over allocation problem solved because of the predecessor successor. Now I can open the project B. See, now you can see project B having something here. This we can't able to modify anything. This is coming automatically based on the master project. This is called resource pooling and having sub projects. So this also you can use like if it is like needed. If you're using same resources to the multiple projects, and if you want to consider that project as a sub project to the available one. Got it? So the resource pool is main, and then the project A is main. So project A having the total cost, like now still not total cost. Na? So when you go format, yeah, summary task is coming separately. Yeah. So this you understood, right? But cost wise, it was showing separately the summaries, not together. This is for this one. No, no, I think this is for the whole. See, this plus this. So that's why 4,800. You got the point, na? The summary was correct only. 720 plus 288 plus 960 plus 2832. See, 4,800. That project you're having the total cost. It was correct actually. So let me know you are okay with this concept of resource pooling and sub projects. Then we can move further.
Yeah, yeah. So okay, Hari.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, then what we have, like, see, we can see one by one. So file all these things, now options and all. Like, so if you want to change something here, you can change. So all these things. See, here it was decimal. This also we seen before. That's why here in the resource sheet, it was like one. Otherwise, it will be 100 percentage. 100 percentage equal to 1%. If two, you are putting, if it is percentage, 200 percentage. Five people means 500 percentage. So what you can do, like the painter is available, 10 painters, you can put 10 here. But that if you are having decimal only, it will work. These things we already seen also. So that's why these kind of changes you can do from the backstage view, the options. Then task everything Okay. So we have seen all these things. And if you want to move one day, one week, you can able to move that. See, for example, this is project A, right? And I want to move the whole project. So go to move by one day. So you can try to move this by one day. You can able to use the task. This is not for the project. This is only for task. So you can select the task and you can able to, for example, if I'm just putting here, move one day. See, it is just moving, but it will be considering constraint. See, start no earlier than. That is called a move option. Even you can able to move for one week. Okay. This is move options. Okay. You can move to all these options. Okay. Or you can also reschedule the task when resources are available. This is similar to leveling. And this is like auto schedule, manual schedule, and all we used to have already. Okay. And the details like we used to check. So here only like we can able to this we already seen in the previous exercises. Now this is task detail form. At the same time, you can also go for resources and predecessors. Now we can also go for work. When you go for work, you can able to use all this work overtime, all this actual work, baseline work, and all. And cost related things it will come. Right click. Okay. By default, it was like a resource and predecessor. Or you can also have predecessor and successor. Even you can able to assign predecessor and successor from the details itself, either from details or from the columns or from the information. Okay. And you can click it, it will go away. And any of the tasks, you can also have notes and hyperlinks. For example, I am clicking notes. When you click notes, like you can able to type this task should start on time. So when you click OK, that indicator it will be there. So people will be knowing by keeping the mouse over there. This task should start on time. Like this, that's some kind of note. At the same time, you can also have a hyperlink. Right click and hyperlink. So I can put any of the documents. For example, some PDF or something I will put. So that particular thing, when you put control, when you just click, no need to put control also. When you click, it will open the particular file. So would you like to open the file? Click OK. So this is all. These are all like it will be helpful for presentation purpose. You can directly like link all the essential plans, sections, elevation, walkthrough videos, or site progress photos. Directly, you can just show them. It can able to open anything in the computer. You got the point. Now, like this, like you can make use of. That is hyperlink and notes. Okay. Okay, like this, like what is like see now like it is going somewhere. We don't know where it is. You no need to scroll manually. You can click scroll to task. Scroll to task, it will try to scroll and then show the particular task selected. And resources and all we also seen. Okay, team planner, whatever we have here, the right click, the same only everywhere. And all these things also we seen. Leveling options, resource related details, details for the particular resources. Okay. Okay, this is like a resource related details. Okay, then like a report also we have seen, right? Okay, in report, like we can able to see the visual reports. Okay, so baseline cost report. You can able to just have all these things. Resource cost summary. Click okay. View. Okay. So this is like Excel needed. So it will try to go to the Excel. Actually, I don't have Excel. That's why it is not opening. Otherwise, like you can try, like if you have Excel, these things it will work. But apart from that, like this is visual reports, and we can also see the reports here, cost overview report. See the cost overview report and all, like automatically it is coming. It is having some template. And previously, I also told you how to create our own reports. See our own reports also, like we can able to create. Okay, this is like reports, custom, recent. Okay, okay. Earned value. These are all the S curves. See, but now we don't have baseline. Now, if you have baseline and applying the actuals and all, it will show the S curve. See, ACWP, BCWP, BCWS, see, SPI, CPI, everything. That is for the earned value S curve. Report, cost you will be having, earned value report. Task cost overview, like this, everything. So all this, like you can make use of, otherwise, like you can create your own reports also. Okay, now I can go to the Gantt chart view. Okay, then project related things also we have seen, right? All these things. Moving the project we seen already. Calculate project in the sense like if you do some changes, like it will try to calculate. So it will automatically calculate. No need to put this. See, in the project option, if you are turning it off, then only it will be useful. Okay. Normally it was calculated. Now, when you click project information and when you click statistics, these are all the calculations. See, project is calculated and showing the progress. And these things we seen already, how to put the status date and how to update it and all when we are teaching about, when we are learning about baseline and spell check and all. And the view, again the view, the same thing, see here again and again. And this you understood now how to highlight filter group. Last class we seen. And entire project, see, whatever the available Gantt chart, it will try to zoom the entire project. And only selected task it will zoom. So all this you can make use of. You can use a timeline if you want, and you can add something to timeline. Right click and add to timeline, and again right click, remove from timeline, or you can use the same to remove also. So time scale, it's automatically 2 days because we put entire project, or we can also put our own week. So this we can select whatever we want, month. So accordingly, for big projects, you can use any of the time scale, but entire project also like more appealing. Then format, like format things and all we seen already. How to show the slacks and how to show the slip pages and how to show the baselines. And these are all normal. See, whatever it is, like red color is critical. So no need to worry. The critical in the sense red color same, but only the other colors changing. So it doesn't matter. Like you can have that one. Outline number and all also I shown you. so that we can conclude that we completed the MS project. Now you know now how to print also. If you want to print it, like you can directly go to here. I already putting the quick access print preview. The printing also previous class we have seen, and here you can change it. So the sizes and all. When I'm putting A3, it was okay, little bit. Like this, like you can do some changes, landscape or portrait and all. And you can do this directly colorful printouts. So print to PDF or directly to the printer and all. So this also we have seen last class, so no need to do again. So let me know so that like we successfully completed the MS project. Now it's your turn that you can apply all these tools and techniques for your real projects. Since it's a file based now, you need to save all the times.